Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send somebody one of your amp profiles. So let's say you really love this Marshall Silver Jubilee here. That's in your pedal, because all up here's in your pedal, down here's not in your pedal. So you could drag this down, left click, drag it down to here, and drop it into your presets. So there it is right there. Now you come over here, this little icon right there, you're going to hit that. You see it? Hit that. You're going to select the folder you're going to put it in. So that's my TONEX presets, which is fine. Hit select folder. Boom. It's in there. Now to email it, find a folder, and there it is right there. So you're going to open up email, new mail, right there, and now you can drag and drop it. So open the folder. It's a Jubilee right there. Drag, left click, drop it in, and attach it. And there it is. Okay, when your recipient gets the email, he's going to download it, put it in a folder, drop it on the desktop like I did here. Open up the software, connect his pedal, make sure he's connected. Make sure he's connected. Then take it and drag and drop it right down here. Boom, there it is. Now it's in his presets. So if he wants to add it to his pedal, just left click it, drag it up, and put it over one of the profiles you want to replace. And there it is. Also, look, there it is in the pedal.